Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready for part 3 of blending sounds to hear a word? Great. Let's get started. Now, before I go through the instructions and the directions, I need you to pause this video and I need you to go into your December 18th packet and find the beginning sounds page. And we're just going to be naming the bottom 4 pictures, okay? So you'll need crayons for coloring and this packet page, okay? And your good listening ears and your good looking eyes. Okay, I'm going to zoom in for the directions. First, we're going to picture name, which means we're going to name each picture. Okay, when I am looking at this picture, I'm going to call it box. I go, you go, box. Tag, nut, and mad. Let's name them together one more time. Box, tag, nut, mad. Now that I've named the pictures, I'm going to go to the next direction. Blend sounds to hear the word. I am going to make the sounds of one of these words. You're going to listen with your ear and think with your brain. What word is Mrs. DeSmit saying? And then when you think you know the word, you're going to color the picture that matches the word. Are you ready to get started? Great. So here we go. I'm going to zoom out. Okay, so that you can see my blending arm, right? Remember, I use this blending arm and I start here and then down my arm to my wrist to tap. Here's my first word. Add. 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 Which of these picture words did I say? If you said mad, bing, 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 you are correct. We're going to color mad purple. It can be colored any color. So in this exercise, we are only coloring the picture. We're not writing any letters. Are you ready for word number 2? Okay, here we go. Get this up. B-ox. 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 What's my word? That's right. If you said box, you were right. I'm going to color it orange. Color the box orange. Put your crayon down. We have 2 more words. I'm going to say one of them, and then we'll do one together. So here's the one I'm going to say. Ready? T, egg. T, egg. T, egg. My word is tag. That's right. I'm going to color the tag yellow. Very good. And now the last one we're going to do together. The word is nut. You say it. I'm going to go and you're going to go. Okay? So get your shoulder up. N, t. N, t. N, t. Nut. Very good. You're going to color the last picture. Hold on to your packet because tomorrow we're going to use this same activity to do beginning sounds. Thanks for your great listening and your good thinking. Bye.